So in today's video, I think you can see this black powder in front of me. So this is one of our assignment we explain today. So how to make up this powder for confirmed favor booster. After it has been done, you mix it with honey. You lick it in the morning before you commence your daily activities. Are you with me? So this powder is made up of 3 materials. The first one is castor seed, isolara pupa, and cat eye seed, isowodinjiji, and 1 bunch of alligator pepper. You burn them, in a black pot just like this, and you powder it. You add honey to it. You lick it in the morning before you go out, before you go to your working place, before you commence your daily activities. It's very, very good and very, very effective.